What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Hannah Official. Guys, today I'm coming live and clear from this amazing mansion, guys. So I need to wash your hand here with a detergent. No problem. Alright. So, yeah. Oh, my delicious meal, guys. No problem. Actually, I'm minding to use this cup for my uncle, guys. Yeah. Man, always the brown porridge. Yeah. Oh, just a minute. Guys, so this brown porridge. And nataka upasue mbao.
Nataka nipasue ile miti niliweka tayari huko. Ndio nikuje kuketi. Kuna nini huko?
Chapati. And then I get this blue band and then I add here. Kuna. Sasa kuna.
Bwana nasikia kitu.
So guys, that's the power saw engineer. So after this, they want to cut some timbers or to split.
Nataka kutoa.
Oh, that's enough. Okay, so the reason why I add some blue band here, you know, blue band have a lot of energies and well, guys. I have to me. Guys, and then I start. Oh, guys. So guys, since morning I was not around here, so we went far away to look for the power saw, and it's around almost 8 kilometers from here. Hey, it's a journey, guys, by itself, but I will try. So I start, and then I mix the porridge with blue band. You see, guys. So let me know in the comment section, guys. I start. So that's enough, guys. And then I come to my delicious meal. Take chapati, guys. Nani? Ako nje? Wow. Very sweet, guys. This one here. If you have a brown porridge.
What is that?
Which one?
Here.
This is my video. I'm recording my video. Now, guys.
So, unatumana wapi record?
YouTube.
Huh? To YouTube.
You enjoy it.
It is like a phone.
Oh, guys.
How much? What cost?
Alright, guys, so I finished to take some lunch time. So since morning, you know, I'm not around here, so we went to look for the power saw, guys. So I'm heading outside. Well, guys, I'm feels right now. I'm energetic, guys. Alright, hey. Oh, welcome guys to my videos of today. Can you give a like, comment, and also share, guys? What's up? What's up? They're eating some sardines over here. Oh, guys. So if you try to imagine I'm not around here, I woke up in the morning and went far away, guys. Look at the jacket. It's over here. It's over here, guys. Wow. And today's videos are very, very special. Can you give a like, comment, and also share, guys? If you wish, you can share these videos. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these videos, guys? Wow. So even I think the power saw, it's outside here. Let me show you guys. Wow. Everything take a shape here. All right. So this is the power saw that we went to look for and split some timber, guys. This power saw. So after this, I'll show you the work of the power saw. If you don't know, guys. Wow. Welcome, guys, today's vlog. And let me know, what do you think about these videos? Kindly give a like, comment, and also subscribe. Road to 5k subscriber. I really appreciate you guys. And this is the timber which we split yesterday, and today we have another power saw, but it has some problem. So after maybe splitting 10 timbers get problem, but right now we bring another power saw, guys. So right there, that's the cow, guys. And oh, guys, so after this I'll go to join another videos, cut across to my project, guys. So over here, there's some firewood, imagine. So I'll wait them to dry, and maybe some 2 months later I'll come and pick maybe some of them, take to my mama, guys. And my mama, they wanna enjoy maybe cooking by itself. Wow. So over here we have some borehole, guys, and it's closed. Oh, there is enough of water, guys. Wow. Whew. Let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. And I imagine they want to be demolishing this torn fence over here. So we reach at this point, and very soon we're going that way, guys. And then we left these trees inside, guys. We have aloe vera here. Wow, for the treatment maybe. And at the far end, guys, we have some bee house over there, guys. Wow. Hey, we have another aloe vera here. So guys, let's see. Wow. Hey, these mango trees, guys, over here. Mango trees. So I take you around, and the far end is the perimeter wall. So let me show you the work of the power saw, guys, which you had and brought here again to split some maybe timber, not maybe split timber for the attachment of the perimeter wall, attachment of the pillar. What I'm saying pillar in this case, I mean this one here. You wanna put some steel bar and concrete, so this is what we call pillar. And over here is attachment of the we called a small maybe rental over here. So to be this ought to be concrete, guys. Wow. We have the mango trees over here. We have another borehole here, guys. So let me show you. See? Oh, over there, there's wood. So that's how we harvest water here, guys. So, Nataka ukifanyia service.
Hapana. Hii. Sasa naifunga. Sasa ndio nitaiangalia. Ifunga niweke mafuta.
Haiko imefungwa.
Ilikuwa imefungwa lakini kuna mahali ilikuwa haijafungwa.
Yeah guys, so I'm asking him the reason why we tight some bolt is because when that vibration started boom, actually this is the timber we want to split over here. Wow guys. So guys, stay tuned and let me know in the comment section what did you think about these videos, and after this I will show you the purpose of the power saw guys. Wow. That is. So we light the power saw and then we start splitting fire and then we go chop 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 and then like that guys. So look. Let me go other side guys to show you. Wow guys. Everything it's happening guys. You heard some noise? You heard it? Oh, I jump over here guys. So let me show you. Wow. Look guys. So guys, because of interruption of the noise of the power saw, I had to run out of it, and I have already shown you the work of the power saw guys. Welcome on this machine, but I'm heading this way. Well guys, I saw this in. So in the morning I was left here, so I left someone my phone, so he was my friend. Because of when I'm driving on a motorbike, my pocket was too small, so I give him to touch for me the phone guys. You see my motorbike is over here, so it's cooling guys. You see, it's a long distance. You can see the dust and hey man, look. So I'm heading down that way to check my phone guys. Hey guys, I missed you since morning. Maybe I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend maybe the time we're reaching this video from the far end guys. But here it's evening time, and try to imagine, it's so crazy. I took lunch time and I count is and already supper time, but I took lunch in supper. Well guys, maybe during at night I'll take a little bit of the food guys. So I'm going downward and I got to pick maybe my phone and all stuff. I mean, and then guys I'll go back home, because on my videos guys I'm so blessed. I don't like drama man. I'm just fighting like one army. I'm just creating my own audience man. For the first time maybe you are watching these videos, subscribe, comment, and also like the videos. Drop the sweet comments down on the comment section below guys. At the far end guys, here this is Uncle Mo from Kenya. Go and check him, subscribe. He was an entertainment guy, man. Wow. Over here. Hey, Sumu. Unachukuja kwa mwancho hai?
Ako huko chini kwa mara anatengeneza vitu za raundi.
Vitu za raundi.
Za kupanda maua.
Woko hayo ari. Nimba teba ange simu ya nembono kuringa. Say hello, Uncle Mo. This is Uncle Mo, guys. Over here.
Unasema unatoka wapi?
Natoka Kisii. So mimi nimekuwa hata mavumbi.
Sasa unaenda kufuata nini?
Tumeenda kufuata pawaso.
Kununua mpya. This Arubeli is the one telling me is from Kisii town. What have you seen in Kisii town?
We don't pass Kisii town, we go to reserve.
Yeah, guys, if you have checked me, subscribe to Harubaby, let Harubaby go on with this journey.
I'm going to take my phone and then.
Nice journey.
Yes, guys, that's Uncle Mo from Kenya, guys. Go and check him. So, man, this is the maize corn over here. Well, guys, and over here we have a church. Over here, guys. Actually, this is a SDA church or Servant Day service. SDA church. This is a loo or toilet, guys. I'm trying to look. Maybe I construct things like this, but it has a lot of work. Guys. Very. And I think it's already completed, guys. So you can see it. How many doors? 1, 2, 3, and then this right string over here. Wow. So I'm trying maybe to find maybe a style like this one. So let me see the roofing. Okay. Let's see. I've already seen the design of the roofing, guys. But it is what it is, guys. You see. So this is the ventilation, maybe to take some bad air outside and bring fresh air inside, guys. Well, alright, so I'm heading this way and I'm going back home, guys. Say even hi to my project, guys. So it's been a while, you know. As I told you earlier, I wake up early in the morning, around 6 a.m. in the morning. I was on the road, guys, driving to the next destination, and it's so far from here, but we thank God I drive carefully. I reach the place that I'm going to, and I came back. So just like arrival and departure. Wow, guys, so it's an amazing journey by itself, and I have already shown you the stuff which take us to go. Wow. So after this, I'm going to take my motorbike and then I go home, guys. From here up to home, it's a kilometer by itself, but I don't know how to count some kilometers, guys, honest. So let's go, man. Wow. Even I want to take some shower and upload these videos. Wow. Anyways, there's some trees, blue gum trees over here, and I was telling you that I'm going to take my phone. So it's just over here, guys. Samsung, guys, look. So it's Samsung. It's a small phone, but it's helped me in terms of converting videos, have some chat with my fans and all stuff, replying some comments. Oh, guys, I'm so grateful, and I want to appreciate all the time, guys. Over here is the maize corn. So right now we are the month of dry season. Look at this. So they have already removed this box of trees here, because most of the time some vehicles will be stuck here and then try to go to other side, but Either it's okay. Guys. Woo! Oh. Oh, you see the car is going up down. So it's drop some kids for Percy and Uncle Mo. I think so. Wow. So let me take my jacket and it's time to go home, man. Wow. So when I'm going home, I'm going to cook some ginger. I bought ginger, lemon, and onion, white one, and then I think the month of March, Congrats Mom will give me some honey. So I'm going to mix with that after cooking everything. So I start the honey, guys. Oh, so let me go. This is my jacket over here, and that one that I left there, it's for my uncle because I wear it. So he came here, and I haven't have any clue that we're going far away. So let's go. When I'm saying go, guys, go. It's time to go. Wow. Alright, man, so it's time to leave over here. I'm leaving at Congrats Mom Homes and I'm going back home, man. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. But I think I will make maybe some videos going home, maybe from other side, because over there we have some bumps going tip. So I don't want maybe to mislead my camera, guys. So after going back on the other side, the Muram road, which are okay, I will use to make some videos, guys, showing you that I'm going home, man. Wow. Guys, so here I go, and I'm heading back home, guys. So to see what is going on, guys, you know, most of the time there's some activity maybe going on at my home, guys. Every. So driving my motorbike over here, going back. The month of harvesting, guys, so it's everywhere kind of dry, but you see a little bit green, guys. Imagine. Wow. Look at this green, maybe alongside the road, and it's a dry season by itself. So I was peep. This is a police post here. Over here, let's go. Look, guys, the maize have already been dried, guys. Wow. This is Nyabohanse village, Jawa. This is the main tarmac road. Wow, guys. Nyabohanse village, Jawa. Wow, look at it. In case you're new here, this is what we're calling Nyabohanse, guys. In general, over here, always over here. Oh, guys, so I've already reached home. So welcome home again. So I need to take my sweater inside. And this is the time maybe I take shower. Imagine since morning, guys. Wow. I'm hiding this. Yeah. Everyone. Unafanya say hello.
Hello.
Usipasue mayai. Sawa? Hi. So guys, this is the maize corn over here. And I heard some, you see guys, I heard some chicks making noise over here. Look guys, let me imagine. We're being fixed over here. Look at this guys. Look at this. They were being fixed by the steel bar guys. Imagine, it's so crazy guys. So let me enter inside here. This is my mopper and all stuff, but I keep it here. Look, my bicycle guys. Because nowadays I ride the motorbike. Guys, open. And all stuff, man. Oh, welcome to my house guys. This is my house over here. And I check everything, it's okay. This is my room guys here. So it needs privacy. This is my brother's room. So I'm telling him every day, the moment you go to school in the morning, close the door. He don't want to listen to me guys. Oh guys, so everything is okay. And my mama left, kept it for me here. Tea guys, look. Okay, that's tea. I'll come for you later. So as I told you, I came to boil some hot water in the evening time, especially at night guys. So we had the lemon, this ginger, this onion, and inside of my room I have honey. So after that whole process will be done, I will mix the honey and stir it, and then I will take it guys. Well guys, so that is it. So let me keep it here. This is how I arrange things guys. Wow. So let's check my project, how it proceeds. Maybe there's some misleading of things there. I must be there every day. Oh guys, see the maize corn here. Wow. This is my motorbike over here. So guys, let me check my project. Oh, my mama make cleanness, even they burn something over here. Hey. Wow guys, wow, what can I say? My project, it's okay and all stuff. You heard, and I step on it. Concrete. Wow. And I want to go that way to see my material guys. You know, when you have some kids around, they might, when they don't want to see you here, they start maybe throwing them. You must put some rules and regulation over there guys. Hey, everything's good, everything's quiet here. So my mama have already cut the native grass and give the cows, man. What's up man? You good? Yeah guys, so I'm heading fresh, you know? So I'm heading this way. Going to check my material guys, whether it's okay and all stuff, man. I mean, walk. Wow. So I'm just over here. I must make sure no anything that is messed guys. So in case you're new here, This is the material, and it's enough of the material, not a jokes, guys. Here, you must take care the stuff, guys. This one tipper, I've already finished one tipper. This one tipper of the sand, but it have already been used. Wow, this is my block over here. And guys, trust me, after finishing the toilet, the moment I get money, I want to start buying some materials, sorry, for my mama dream house, guys. So that's my big intention, my big thing that I stick on my head, guys. So I must build my mama house. So I'm just over here. I'm not competing with anybody. I'm not competing with anybody, guys. I'm just focused on my own thing. I'm just minding my own thing. I'm just man, I do everything beyond to my family. So this life, no competition. If you compete, man, one day you might wake up and then you have never finished anything. You have never do anything. So just mind your own thing, focus your own thing. Like, I need to change my mom lifestyle, maybe to build a small bungalow, guys. So me, I'm just doing things slowly. But when I'm just saying and I mean and I take the action direct, guys. That one that you see here, so it wanna start from maybe this gap over here, going that way. That's my mama dream house, up to reach at this point over here. Because yeah, I think over here, guys. So over here it's okay going that way, and I built for my mama dream house maybe 4 room. It's okay. Well, guys, maybe my sister, they wanna have her own room, my mom own room. So my mama is always master bedroom, and then for the visitor, that is 3, and then for extra room, and then you have toilet, you have kitchen inside. Man, let's see. Just pray for me, watch my videos for the length of the videos, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official and me. I wanna change my mama lifestyle, guys. Trust me. I'm not competing, but that thing, it stick on my mind. If there is some videos I was showing you over this place here, right there. Let me go closer to this place here. There's some videos that I was made, and I'm telling you that this place, I'll demolish everything. I build my mama dream house over here, guys. If I'm not lying and if I'm not right, remind me, guys, from the comment section. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. I think I could end my video over here. So it's evening, guys. Look guys. So up to this particular point, so this is my sister praying over here. Mnaharibu unga kwa nyumba, nitawapiga. Kujufanya ujinga. Ndacha ngote migoma ngotio moto. So guys, I was telling my sister they were being misleading my mama flour or maize flour, guys. So I'm telling him, don't repeat again, I will cane you. So without telling him like that, they wanna maybe start scooping sugar and coming outside play with it. Alright, guys, so I wanna say, guys, bye bye. Let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Sorry. Which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.